Yo, Assalamualaikum again, guys. Today's gonna be a quick video, and we're just gonna do day one of equilibrium. We're not really gonna hit the charts much, and I'm just gonna kind of explain to you. Like, I honestly think I can explain it to you within 5 to 7 minutes of what equilibrium is, and then tomorrow we're gonna hit the charts. So basically, equilibrium is getting price on a discount. Okay. So listen, we got this candlestick. Okay, and we're going towards. Look at that. Look at that beautiful candlestick. Okay, we're moving in an uptrend right now, right? And that means that the candlesticks are moving higher. Okay, and with that, what we're gonna do is basically as we keep moving up with these uptrends, right? And the candlesticks are moving up, there's going to be times when it's going to start breaking structure to the downside, where we're going to start getting lower. We're going to start getting lower and lower. I know my candlestick drawing is absolutely beautiful, so I don't want to hear it. Okay? So then we're moving lower and lower, okay? I'm going to pump this out a little bit. Okay, cool. All right. So what equilibrium really is the ability to get price on a discount. Okay? So that's 0.5, guys, for those of you guys. Okay? 0.5. So when you have all these candlesticks moving up, right? And candlesticks moving down, right? So if our trend is that it's going to move up and it's going to be bullish for the day and we're going on an uptrend, when is the best price, right? So let's say that your stop loss is down here. When is the best time to get the best value for your dollar? When it is below equilibrium, closest to a stop loss. That means you're mitigating risk the most, and you're having the potential for the highest amount of money earned, right? And the opposite applies, that if you're in a downtrend, your stop loss would be up here somewhere, and let's say your candles are here, one's going in, and now people are going to ask this great question of, what if you get stopped out? What if, well, this is why we use the confluence that I taught you of the trading, and stay emotionless and stay disciplined. Because if you're willing to follow your trend and follow everything that I've taught you, your daily bias, your trend, looking for your liquidity sweeps, looking for your order blocks, and now if you're willing to follow your equilibrium, you guys aren't going to lose trades as much, right? And that's just the reality of the situation. Now we're going to go back up here, and I'm going to show you, because we're not hitting the charts today. I think, like, I want to show you guys the proper way to hit this before I hit you on the chart. So we're just going to remove this. I'm going to use, so this is what you call the GAN box, 50%. This is equilibrium for you. Okay, this is how you set up equilibrium. The value of anything, if it is a bullish, I will always buy when I'm below the 50% mark. And if it is bearish, I will only buy when I am above the 50% mark. So maximum amount of money to be made this way, maximum amount of money to be made this way. Your stop losses are below and your stop losses are above. And you can hit the take profit at the highest amount in both ways, right? So if you follow the confluences that I teach you, right, and look into what equilibrium is now, and I'm going to teach you guys, how do you spot equilibrium? When do you know is a good time to set into a trade? What time frame do you use when you're going into equilibrium? And this is everything we're going to talk about when we hit the charts. But the main thing I really wanted to tell you guys is open your mind to this. That when you're always going to buy on a discount, and you're always going to sell on a discount. All right. And if that is possible, you will make the most amount of money possible in day trading, and you'll be mitigating risk the most as well. So that's everything. Quick session for today. We're gonna have another talk about this tomorrow. Depends actually. We might do a quick um like psychology video again tomorrow, but I'm gonna think about it, right? And yeah, that's about it, guys. And we will catch y'all. And what was it saying? Deuces, peace out. All praise to Allah above. We're gonna keep going at this, inshallah. And yeah, man. Honestly, I love this journey, and man, I just hope all y'all get as much success from this as much as I will, right? Inshallah. And I hope y'all the best. All right. Peace out, boys.